Hey, what up guys, welcome to another video. In today's video we're going to be installing a 32-inch 6D light bar on a Raptor, and let me show you what we got. It's a 32-inch slim, 1-inch thick, 32-inch wide. It's pretty simple. It comes with a couple of wires, but we're gonna not use all of them, and it's gonna go on this beauty right in the grill. So first step, let's get the grill off and let's connect everything together. Alright, the grill is off. So next thing is opening the grill up and installing the light bar. Here's the grill. It's nice and chunky, so we got to take off the shutter off. There's a couple of screws, and then install the light bar. Alright, the shroud is off from the grill. So now we're just going to position the light right up here and drill holes for the mounts. I want to show them how it's going to look from top. So it's going to stay like that. So we're going to have one hole on this side and one hole on the other side. I think it's through. I think it's through, huh? Here is a light bar installed. We got 2 screws on top. It's gonna sit like this behind the grill. So now we're just gonna test fit it and put everything back together. The light has been installed and it's pretty slick looking. You can hardly see it. You can see it right now because of the light, but during the day you won't be able to see it. Looks good. Now we just gotta test it out. Oh, that's so cool. It's bright, super bright. All right, it's UFO officially.